Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Emma and you are very welcome.
Pretty lady, African woman, first time I saw you, I told myself.
In today's video, I show you guys how I do a pre-poo treatment using a DIY fenugreek hair gel, hair mix, hair mask. I really don't know what to call it. If you would like to see how I made this mix, I will put a link up here in this clip. If it doesn't pop up, because I've noticed some of the links don't pop up sometimes, I don't know why, I would still put it in the description box, so check it out in the description box if it doesn't pop up on this clip. If you would also like to see how detangling this product was on my hair and how nice it was, please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell right next to it. Alright guys, so my hair is a hot mess, okay? Don't judge me. My hair is a hot mess. It is dry, it is matted, and here I'm just trying to kind of separate them gently before I start to apply the mix to my hair. As you can see, it is tangled, there are knots in there. So here I have my mix in my favorite applicator bottle and I apply it to my scalp and massage it into my scalp, and I also apply it to my strands, and then just take my time to massage this product into my strands. You guys, you need to take your time with this product. It has a bit of slip, so you need to actually work the product in so it doesn't just slip through your strands. And I am also trying to kind of detangle, finger detangle here and just separate lightly. As you can see here, my hair is beginning to look moisturized or maybe hydrated, I would say. I then follow up with a comb, and here I am detangling, starting from my end to the roots as usual. And I take my time to comb my hair, you guys. Like, combing my hair is actually therapeutic, and I actually take my time to make sure I'm combing out every single tangle and knot and shed hair out of my hair. And once I am done combing, I would twist up this section. Here I'm just showing you guys a close-up on how hydrated my hair looks right now, and then I twist up that section and move on. Here I'm just frowning because I cannot even believe that my hair is this much of a hot mess, but we'll get through this. So a few things that you guys need to know is the importance of the ingredients contained in this pre-poo mix. So fenugreek is known to strengthen hair and prevent hair loss. It promotes hair growth, it nourishes the hair and scalp, and is also used as a natural conditioner. It is said to add shine and prevent dandruff as well. Shea butter, as we all know, is known for its anti-inflammatory plus high fat content, which makes it great for damaged hair and split ends, and its healing properties is also great to soothe irritated scalp. Palm kernel oil is known to be rich in antioxidants. It promotes and boosts healthy natural hair growth, and it penetrates the hair shaft, repairing and locking moisture. It also helps to fight dandruff and soothe itchy and dry scalp. With essential oils, I used pine needle, and pine needle is known to have antimicrobial properties that cleanses and removes bacteria and any excess sebum or product buildup, and also dead skin cells. It helps to prevent inflammation, itchiness, and infections, which in turn enhances hair's natural smoothness and shine. Last but not the least is lemongrass essential oil. It is known to strengthen hair follicles, relieve scalp irritation, and fight soft dandruff. So I just take my time to comb through my hair and ensure every shed hair is out. As you can see, the comb is gliding through nicely. Once that's done, I will twist up this section and then massage this mix into my scalp. Just to ensure that every bit of my scalp gets the goodness from this mix. And that's it, guys. I let my hair sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before going on to shampoo my hair. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.